Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete Snapchat account. So to do that, head over to your Snapchat application. Once you're there, tap on your Bitmoji to go to your profile on the top left corner. And from here, go to the settings by tapping the gear icon on the top right. And from here, you have to go to the Help Center. And here, if you search for delete my account, and here there are some ways with which you can just delete it. So you have to log into your Snapchat accounts portal and tap delete my account and input your account password and tap on continue to confirm account deactivation or deletion. So yeah, this is how you can just delete your Snapchat account. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.